My name is Nayan Kothari. I am a data scientist professional with a master's degree in data science, completed in May 2024. I have built strong hands-on experience equivalent to 2 years through real-world projects in finance, HR, analytics, and business intelligence. I specialize in Python, including libraries like Pandas and NumPy for data analysis, and I have a strong foundation in statistics and probability for data-driven decision making. I am also skilled in SQL for data extraction and transformation and Power BI for building interactive dashboards. Accordingly, I have worked on machine learning models, feature engineering, and end-to-end project workflows from data cleaning to insight and visualizations. I have completed multiple industrial level projects such as CEO business dashboard, HR attrition analysis, and customer segmentation using RFM. These projects focus on solving real business problems like improving retention, optimizing operations, and identifying high value customers. I have also consistently followed a disciplined learning approach, building a strong portfolio aligned with industrial requirements. My goal is to become a high impact data scientist who not only analyze data but also drives business decision. I am deeply inspired by how data is transforming industry, especially in finance and business strategy, and I continuously focus on upskilling in advanced analytics and machine learning. I aim to contribute to organization by turning complex data into actionable insights. Thank you for your time. I am excited about opportunities where I can add value through data driven insights and grow as a data science professional.